What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy back here, teacher Lucas. Now that we already know how to express ourselves in the future using going to, I want to move on to will. How to express future ideas and actions using will. But before I start, I just want to remind you to follow me in all my social media, especially on Instagram, because I teach English every day on my Instagram stories. So make sure to follow me there to be aware of new tips every day. And here I have the sentence, the doctor will pull my wisdom tooth tomorrow. First of all, wisdom tooth. What is wisdom tooth? We already know that this is our teeth, alright? Our wisdom tooth is the last one that grows here. So we have our wisdom tooth, alright? Or wisdom teeth in the plural. Will is a modal verb to make sentence in the past, or to make sentence in the future, or to make sentence in the negative, or even to ask questions. We always need a modal verb, which is a verb that helps us to indicate if this verb is going to be in the future, in the past, or if it's going to be a question, negative, alright? So we use a modal verb, and the modal verb we use in the future, in this case, is will. But what is the difference between going to and will? As I already taught you, when we are talking about going to, we are certain that something's going to happen. So going to is a short period, something that is going to happen in a short period. Will is kind of long term, alright? It's long term. So it might going to happen in the future. We are not so sure that it's going to happen. That's why we use will. And all the verbs that comes after will needs to come in the infinitive without to. So for example, in this sentence again, the doctor will pull, not will to pull, but the doctor will pull my wisdom tooth tomorrow. So we use will to express future actions and ideas. And we use will for all persons in English. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, you will, they will. I, you, he, she will go swimming tomorrow morning. It will probably rain tonight. We, you, they will go to a picnic next Saturday. And we can make negative statements using will as well. So I will, affirmative. To make negative, I just need to add not. So instead of I will, I say I will not. And I also can contract this will not to won't to make it easier to speak faster, okay? So as an example, I can say I will not go to the party, or I won't go to the party, okay? I can also ask questions using will. So I have the sentence, Karen will take the bus to work. This is affirmative. To ask question, I just need to take the modal verb, put before the subject, and ask the question. So Karen will take the bus to work. Will Karen take the bus to work? I take the modal verb and put before. So will Karen take the bus to work? If you still have any questions, leave your comments below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, here in the YouTube. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, iTalk is one of our sponsors here in the channel, and they are a very good platform for people who want to find a partner, a native English speaker, to practice English with you. So iTalk is your best choice because it's a platform where you can schedule time to speak English with a native English speaker. And as iTalk is our sponsor here in the channel, you can have $10 of discount in your first access. So make sure to hit the link that I'll leave in the description below to have this discount and to enjoy and practice English, alright, with a native English speaker. And also, if you're looking for a school to learn English, guys, Central Park English School is your best choice as well. They are over 15 years in the market teaching English. They have more than 200 videos available for you to learn English, more than 40 weeks for you to study, half an hour per day only just for you to practice English and study. So make sure to hit the link that I'll leave in the description below for you to find out more information from them. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. See ya later. Peace out.